Hello everyone, Ganesh here. In this video, I would like to let you know that how I'm making money on the Bitcoin and just buying the Bitcoin and selling the Bitcoin. The reason I'm making this video, still many of us still believe that Bitcoin is very hard to understand or it's too complicated to make money on the Bitcoin, but it is not like that because on back on 2016, I had a same feeling, like I had a same negative thoughts towards the Bitcoin. I strongly believe that I could not understand the Bitcoin or I could not learn how to make money on the Bitcoin because I was a slow learner. So because of that, I kept myself away from the Bitcoin till 2020. So on the 2020 year when lockdown happened, finally I took a time to understand what is Bitcoin and I tried to make money on the Bitcoin. And when I got the results, I really start regretting for wasting those 4 years. I remember on 2016 I had this opportunity, but I did not use it. But on 2020 when I finally start making money, I really so badly I regret it. And but right now I got a good opportunity that I'm still making good enough money, and I have way much time than before. Before I learned Bitcoin, how to make money on it, I used to work for a restaurant field of like hospitality more than a 7+ years, and job was really tough because I used to work around 12 hours a day. Sometimes we have to do a break shift, and it is like a 6 days a week, which is really hard for anyone to work. And uh, to come out of it, I always looking for opportunity. Even I start some businesses, but nothing was worked for me. But when finally I learned how to make money on the Bitcoin, trust me, it is the result was really phenomenal. So on the screen, if you look at my latest statement where it says 6,850 US dollar, so that is right now what it is there in my account on a Binance. So Binance is the number one place for a Bitcoin to buy and sell, and I'm gonna make video clearly on it. But right now in the Binance, you can see my account where it says 6,850 US dollar, which is approximately I think it's 4 lakhs 70,000. But when I start I invested in the Bitcoin, I used only 5,000 US dollars. So 5,000 US dollar, it is the Indian rupees of 3,50,000. But right now I made a profit of $1,850, which is 1,30,000. So 1,30,000 by investing 3,50,000, it is a really big deal. And to be honest, I did not use all the 3.5 lakhs what I invested on a 5,000 US dollar or 3.5 lakhs. I hardly used 1,50,000, and on 1,50,000 I made around 1,30,000 in a less than a 15 days. So that is the power of Bitcoin, and that is the power of making money on the Bitcoin. And if you wanted to learn how I made my profit by step, then you have to do one thing for me, that is just hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because I will be showing you in my next video how exactly I start learning Bitcoin and I start buying the Bitcoin and selling the Bitcoin on the Binance. So on my next video, it's going to be 100% complete tutorials on the Binance, how you can understand the Bitcoin and how you can buy it and sell it. So this is the video for now. I hope you got some little inspiration from out of it. So see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.